Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You're listening to Consan Show, episode number 154. And in this episode, we are going to discuss about be more dependable in your life. What do I mean by that? And let's get started. Never listen to any advice. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Be a real person in your entire life. Be dependable. If you just tell someone that, if you just make a promise to someone, make sure you keep up that particular promise. I have suffered a lot without keeping up my particular promise. I'm not a person who tells you that I'm 100% perfect. No, I'm not really that. If you just tell someone that you will attend the meeting within at 4, make sure you just be there within 4. If you just tell a person you'll just meet them at that particular time, make sure you just meet them. And if you just tell a person that you will wake up at 5, make sure you wake up at 5. If you just tell a person you will hire them, make sure you just hire them. So make sure you be a real person. Build some trust with people. I just wanted to mention that particular thing. How do you really do that? In the sense, it starts with here. So how do you really do that? In the sense, it starts with you. First of all, you need to make a promise with yourself. Make some promise with yourself, saying that you be so disciplined. You just start with some minor things. Start with cleaning your room. Make sure you just make a promise that you will clean your room every Sunday. Make sure you do that. Make sure you do it every Sunday. And start with small things, just like you will wake up at every day at 5. Every day at sharp 5, try waking up and doing some exercise. Start with a routine and you make it a habit, and that will convert into a great entire marathon, and that will be so awesome. And that is how people build more and more trust on you. And if you have a bad habit, just like smoking, taking drugs or alcohol, something like that, try saying yourself that you just want to quit that. I think it doesn't take much effort to do that. It doesn't take so much effort to do that. Once you just do that consistently, let's say you're a chain smoker. Okay, so let's say you're doing it. Once you're done with that, once you quit that for one particular month, stop doing it and continue it. So don't stop the habit of making yourself good or feeling yourself good. Continue that no matter whatever happens. If you feel like you don't want to do exercise, try continuing it. If you want to wake up at 5, try continuing it. No matter how odd the situation gets, no matter how odd the time gets, try doing it every day, each and every day. That is how you build the confidence. You make it a routine, you make it a habit, you make it an autonomous thing. And no matter whatever happens in your life, never stop doing it. And that is how you build your own self-respect. That is how you build your own trust. And once you're done with that, you will be a most dependable person in this entire room or in your entire company. So that is what I want to discuss in this particular episode, guys. And make sure you just drop the comments below. I'll give a shout out to everyone who just comments on my particular episodes, podcast and Instagram images, and you could be the next person. Until then, it's me signing off from Control Podcast. Meet you guys in my next podcast, and see you guys at the top. Bye bye.